Are your marketing campaigns feeling like they're stuck in quicksand, pouring in budget and hours for less than exciting returns? What if I told you there's a massive shift happening right now? A secret weapon early adopters are using to get a real, almost unfair advantage. You think you know video marketing? While a whopping 93% of marketers are already seeing good ROI from video, there's a new powerful current in this ocean. Imagine launching campaigns in days, not weeks, like going from dial-up internet to fiber optic. That's the kind of speed boost we're talking about. Let's be honest, the marketing grind is real. You're constantly battling for attention in a digital world that's just plain loud. Getting clicks is a fight, getting conversions, even tougher. Video is king. A huge 78% would rather watch a short video to learn about a product, but just making videos isn't enough anymore. Production can be slow, it can be pricey, and trying to scale things up often feels like you need a Hollywood-sized budget. But what if the rules of the game just changed? What if you could create more powerful video, way faster, cheaper, and with the precision of a heat-seeking missile? This is the power of artificial intelligence hitting video marketing. AI isn't just another gadget, it's like trading in your bicycle for a spaceship. It's about using smart automation and data to supercharge every single part of your video strategy, making high-impact video a reality for everyone. So, what does this AI video secret actually look like when you put it to work? Think of AI-powered video scripting tools chopping down your pre-production time significantly. Businesses using AI tools for video are reporting they can slash production costs by up to 60% and save up to 80% in time. AI can speed up launching campaigns by as much as 41% for social media. Now, what about getting people to actually watch and click? AI is amazing at personalizing things at scale, and 71% of consumers now expect that. AI-generated videos on platforms like Facebook and Instagram are seeing 32% more user interactions. And for ads, AI-generated ad creatives have been shown to pump up click-through rates by a staggering 47%. This isn't just about fancy numbers. This is about changing marketing from a department that costs money into a department that reliably makes money. It's like transforming a leaky pipe into a money printing machine. When you can create videos that are higher quality, more engaging, and better targeted and do it faster and cheaper, the whole game changes. Imagine consistently getting higher click-through rates that turn into more solid leads. So the secret's out. The unfair advantage is real, and AI video is powering it. Ready to grab it? Start by checking out some AI video creation tools. Many have free trials, and hey, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. The future of video marketing isn't on its way, it's here, and AI is in the driver's seat. This is your moment to get that edge. Don't be the one left on the shore. It's time to embrace the AI video revolution. Now.